Antonio Kizzy is joining us live from Los Angeles this morning. Good morning, and I apologize for messing up your name, Antonio.
No problem, Mitch. Good morning. How are y'all doing today? Thank you for having me.
We are doing great. Now let's talk about Twitter and Elon Musk. Why can't he just say, look, I don't want to do this anymore. I'm done. I don't want to buy it. It's $44 billion. Can he be forced to spend it?
Well, when you sign on the dotted line, that's a contract. So it's a binding legal agreement. So he's going to have to prove through his attorneys that Twitter somehow breached the deal and that he doesn't have to buy it anymore, which to me sounds like an uphill battle.
That deal was agreed upon on April 25th, and I read this morning that Musk waived his right to due diligence. And that is crazy to me. That, for those of you who don't know about this, that's like buying a house as is with no inspection. Why would somebody do that, and does that hurt him in this case?
That's absolutely correct, and that's one of the issues that he's going to have to address, because if you waive due diligence, then you waive the opportunity to review the financials, the assets, the liabilities. But his lawyers are claiming that Twitter breached the merger agreement by failing to disclose necessary information. So on one hand, he's going to have to argue, hey, they didn't give me enough information to close the deal. But Twitter could respond, hey, you waived your due diligence rights, and we provided you sufficient information to close the deal. That's part of the uphill battle that Mr. Musk will be facing.
Well, that's the crazy thing is he said, okay, I'm going to waive due diligence. They did due diligence anyway. They found something they didn't like, and now he's like, hey, remember when I waived it? Yeah, I'm going to use it and back out. And they're saying you can't do that.
Exactly one of the issues here that the court will have to address.
Now, when it comes to this case, he probably won't be forced to fork over $44 billion and own something. This is probably going to be headed for a settlement, I'm guessing. How do these things usually shake out? A $44 billion acquisition is not some minor merger or acquisition here. This is a huge deal. What's going to be left of it?
It certainly is a huge deal. And so here, it depends on what the court deems appropriate. On one hand, there's the legal binding agreement where the court could say, hey, you waived your due diligence rights, Twitter abided with the terms of the deal, you're going to have to fork over the cash. On the other hand, Mr. Musk can claim, hey, well, they breached the deal by not giving me XYZ information regarding bots and fake accounts and this, that, and the third. So it could possibly shake out in a settlement where Mr. Musk may pay some amount of money to Twitter and then Twitter ultimately still be sold to someone else. So it could go any number of ways.
So he might be paying some amount of money to not own Twitter. It won't be $44 billion, but that would be a very interesting twist. I can't wait to see the Elon Musk memes after he pays, I don't know, $20 billion to not own the company. Antonio Kizzy, thank you for joining us this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.